Constructed in a cutting and opened on the 1st of December 1910 by the Great Eastern Railway Company, Gidea Park Station was originally known as Squirrels Heath and Gidea Park. The station consisted of 2 island platforms with access via a footbridge, giving 4 platform faces despite the line being of 2 tracks beyond the station environs. The station's signal box was elevated on a set of girders spanning the 2 central tracks, and there was a goods shed and coal stasis at the country end of the station on the south side of the line, controlled by an additional signal box. Immediately beyond the goods facility was the building known as the Romford Factory, which had been the original locomotive works for the Eastern Counties Railway from 1843 until the opening of Stratford Works in 1847, and remained in use by the railway working of the manufacture and repair of canvas wagon sheets. The line through Romford and Gidea Park as far as Shenfield was quadrupled in 1930 to provide increased capacity, and additional carriage sidings were added to the north side of the line opposite the goods facility as part of these works. In the order of words in the station name was switched to Gidea Park and Squirrels Heath in late 1913, but the Squirrels Heath suffix was dropped by British Railway in February 1969. So remember all those late trains at the last station? Well, the reason will become clear here, as 345014 departs with the 0704 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. And you may see the reason now, because we have flooding at Gidea Park on the fast lines. All traffic will go through the slow platforms, which will hamper the TfL rail services in the form of 345007, working the 0707 TfL rail service from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. And the first of those fast trains to pass through the slow lines is 72522 and 72517, working 1 Foxtrot 06 from London Liverpool Street to Braintree. Next to depart the station is 345022 with the 0712 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. Next into the station and through the floodwaters is 345012, working the 0714 TfL rail service from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. Next up, 321 331 and 321 33322, working 1K10 from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. Dual working through the station there was 322482 and 321424. Past 745002, getting a little flirty. Working 1N07 from Clacton-on-Sea to London Liverpool Street and 1P06 from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria, respectively. Sorry, Norwich, respectively. Don't want to incur the wrath of Arnold now, do I? Hehe. Next out of the station is 345008, working the 0719 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. And after that departs arriving is 345042 with the 0722 TfL rail service from Shenfield to London Liverpool Street. As the mist starts to drop at the station, 321426 and 321302 pass through, working to Yankee 06 from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich. Next through the station, 321318 and 321902, working to Foxtrot 07 from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street. Next train will do ASMR style, as getting flirty is 745003, working 1P05 from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. With the cancellation of 2 TfL rail service, next through is 321307 and 321312, working 2K12 from London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. And here comes our train in the form of 345056 with the slightly delayed 0734 TfL rail service from London Liverpool Street to Shenfield. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.